Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How do you keep bacon from splattering in the oven? The bacon shouldn't splatter too much, but sometimes if your bacon is a thicker cut, it will produce more grease. Make sure your pan is in the lower third of the oven, and try putting a sheet of wax paper under the bacon.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Cooking bacon in the oven is the easiest way to cook bacon because you do not need to flip the bacon. The only exception is if your bacon is very thick cut. In this case, you may want to flip the bacon after it has been in the oven for 12 minutes to ensure that both sides cook evenly.
Make your mark, take our lead.
It will also cook faster, so keep an eye on it. It is crucial that your baking sheet has a rim, otherwise, the hot bacon grease may cause a fire or burn you when you remove it from the oven. If the entire package of bacon doesn't fit on one sheet, you can cook 2 sheets at a time.
Take our lead.
You're not adding water to the pan, yes, really. To make this next level bacon, they recommend covering the meat with water and putting the skillet over high heat. Now reduce the heat to medium-low, and finish cooking the bacon until browned.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.